Kia ora, Nathan Mooney here, Property Brokers, Palmerston North. No playing around with this property, it's beautiful. Here at 77B Guy Ave, beautifully renovated 3-bedroom home, easy key section, fully fenced, separate laundry, brand new delicious kitchen. That's enough from me, let's go through and have a look.
Focus, I can't even control it. You know your lips are golden, baby, get me high. Touching me like lightning, yeah, keeping it exciting. You know exactly what to do to blow my mind. You're from another planet, I've never felt like this. I don't know how I ever survived without it. I'm starry-eyed, got me upside down, spinning around you. Taste the clouds, dance with the moon. Take a trip.
As you can see, this is the perfect property. Give me a call or come to my next open home. Nathan Mooney, Property Brokers, Palmerston North.
This bed is out of space, just keep painting constellations.